Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to get free Wi-Fi, and this is being 100% serious, guys. I am going to show you exactly how to do it, and it's completely legitimate. If you just watch the video, you'll see how. It barely requires anything. So obviously you'll need any device to actually connect to the internet, because you want to connect to the internet, so obviously you need a device. I'm just going to be using my old iPhone. And then literally the only other thing you'll need is your own Wi-Fi router. So that you won't need a modem or anything, just the Wi-Fi router. And, well, you'll also need a neighbor's Wi-Fi. So as long as you're at least anywhere near in range of a neighbor's Wi-Fi, boom, you could connect. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is pull up our phone, and we're going to unlock, and we're going to go into the settings, and we're going to go to Wi-Fi, and we're going to wait for it to load the Wi-Fi network. So you can see this Wi-Fi network right here, my Spectrum Wi-Fi 75G. That is our neighbor's Wi-Fi. So we're going to connect to this Wi-Fi network, but obviously, see, it has a password, and we don't know it. So we're going to get into this Wi-Fi network for completely free. So we're just going to close our iPhone for right now. We're going to get our router out, and we're just going to plug it in. You don't need any of these other ports on the back. You just need to plug in your router, and you can see that it is turning on. You want to go over back to your iPhone or whatever you're using, and you can see that the D-Link 9830, that is the name of your network. You can see on the back what the name of it is, so you can see that mine is D-Link 9830, and then the password is JIBC blah 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 blah. So we're just going to enter that in here, JIBCD 23112. We're going to click join. And obviously there's not going to be any Wi-Fi on this because it's not connected to anything, but just wait. So we can also see in this corner it says default router settings, and for example, mine, it says to visit 192.168.0.1, like that. And so then we're going to pull up Safari or whatever you're using on your device, and you're going to type in that address, and we're going to enter in the password. It also says it on the back of mine. Mine is just password. And you see that if I zoom in, it says disconnected, and then that's the network name and everything. So obviously this menu is going to be different depending on what Wi-Fi router you are using. But hopefully it should be good enough to where you don't have to look up tutorials. You should be able to figure this out yourself. So all you have to do is go to advanced for my router. Try to do the same thing on your device. So it says internet connection thing. You want to make sure that's dynamic IP. It probably should already be that. But now we just have to find the wireless connection settings. Now you can see wireless mode is set on wireless router. So instead what you want to do is set it on access point. This is going to be very important. So see how it's set on access point. So this is just going to trick it into thinking that it's an access point. So then where it says wireless network name, right there, we want to go into the settings, and we want to look at the name of the network that we're trying to get into. So that's My Spectrum Wi-Fi 75G. So My Spectrum Wi-Fi, what was it, 775G? Let's just check again to make sure. Yes. Wait, does it have the My? Did I do the My? Just want to make sure. Yeah, okay. So I have the name of their network listed here. And you want to enable auto channel selection if that's not already enabled. It should be, though. And yeah, that is literally basically it. And if this doesn't work, then like in case this ends up not working for you, then go to the channel selection, disable that, and then change your wireless channel. Just keep increasing the numbers until it works. So now you just want to save settings at the bottom. And then reboot now. And then you can see that on mine, it's rebooting the Wi-Fi network. And essentially what this is going to do is it's going to have the exact same name as the other one, and it's also got access point. So this is a vulnerability in the new Wi-Fi network settings that are able to do this. So it finished there, and essentially what we should be able to see now when we go on here is the My Spectrum Wi-Fi 75G. So essentially it's blending with their Wi-Fi network. So if we click on this and then enter in the password that we had before, you can see that then we are connected to that network. And then if we go down to here and just go to, let's just do google.com, you can see it's loading Google. So we have literally just gotten into a random Wi-Fi network using our router that we've got right here. So in case you don't understand what this is doing, it's essentially getting their Wi-Fi network name, you set it to access point, so then it thinks it's trying to just be another access point, and then you enter in the exact same name, and then due to a vulnerability, it should be able to just connect, and then you can set the password to whatever you want on here, and then you can just use their Wi-Fi. So, yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys, and, yeah, just share this with your friends if they want to be able to get free Wi-Fi, like if yours is really bad, or you just want to have one that's separate than your family's or whatever. So, anyways, as I said before, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.